Okay, this looks like a smiley face. I am fully loving this. Also, my view, like, what I'm eating out here every morning for breakfast, like, catch me out here every morning. And it's also like windy and it's really nice and like cool. It's not warm, it's not hot, it's like really nice outside. Hey, I hope it warms up though, because we're going surfing today and I really want it to be like warm for surfing and not like, you know, cold and me freezing when I get in the water. So guys, I don't know what top to wear today. I wore this one last year when we went surfing and it was really nice, but I kind of want to wear this one because it's new and I haven't worn it yet. I think I'm gonna wear this one because I just think it'd be so cute for the beach. So I'm gonna wear that one. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because it's so windy, but we're at the beach right now and I keep like having to shield my eyes because of the sand. It's like so windy that the sand keeps blowing in my eyes, and I don't have like sunglasses to wear or anything because I broke mine, so I really need to get some new ones because that's not good. But we're chilling at the beach. My mom and my brother right now are actually surfing. I decided I'm not gonna surf today. I did it last year and I really liked it, but I just like wasn't vibing with it. I just really wasn't feeling like doing it, so I'm just gonna chill on the beach instead, get some tan, soak up the sun. It's honestly kind of cold right now. It's like 70 something degrees. Actually, what is the temperature outside? 73 degrees out, but it feels so cold because of the wind. Like, I am honestly I'm like freezing right now, and I'm just chilling on the beach and I'm freezing. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot harder to surf than last time because the waves are a lot rougher. Like, don't get a big head. Don't get a big head and think you're gonna be able to do good. Okay, but guys, how cute does my brother look in his little like suit? Like, just like model. He looks so cute. Oh, or leave me, that's fine too. Wait, I'm gonna come down with you and feel the water. I'm coming. Let's go feel the water. Coming? You think that's warm? Oh my gosh, my brother lied to me. He said that water was warm. It's not warm, not at all. So my mom's sunglasses and I'm wearing them because I cannot stand the sand. Keeps coming in my eyes and I can't stand it. So you guys, I was wearing a wetsuit earlier, like, it's right there. I felt so ridiculous in it, like, oh my gosh. You don't even know how ridiculous I felt in it, but it's okay. We're living. I don't know if you can already notice, but I'm trying to talk more today's vlog because yesterday I feel like all I did was show you guys what we did and that's it, and I really wanted to talk more. So where's the sand? That's what we're doing today. Push the sand. I don't like the sand. We're back now from the beach and everything. I don't know if you can actually hear like the footage that I got at the beach. I feel like I got a lot of footage, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear it because of the wind, so fingers crossed you'll be able to hear that. But I just got an acai bowl and I'm so excited for it. I love acai bowls, so you know, it's a pretty lit time. Oh, it looks so good though. I know it spilled a little bit when I was walking, but it looks really good.
Is it wet?
Hey baby.
No, I'm not going.
Are we going?
It's okay. You're staying.
Let's go! Okay, so we're going to the pool right now and it's really windy and cold, so honestly I hope the pool's warm. But like, look, at every like stair thing there's like a pretty view. Shower, I'm gonna get ready for dinner, and the pool, you guys, was like actually not cold. Looks like you were in the water. Out of the water, it feels so cold because like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's so windy, so it makes everything super cold. And I'm taking the elevator once because I never take the elevator. I never take the elevator. Go back. I'm kind of scared of elevators, but I wanted to take it, so I'm taking it. And you guys, I'm so happy. I looked at my footage from the beach today and you can actually hear me in the clips, and I was really worried you weren't gonna be able to hear me, but you can hear me, so super pumped about that. Hey everyone, so I'm sitting outside once again. You guys know, like, I just love this outside. Like, I don't know why, I just love it out here. So I'm sitting out here to hopefully let my hair like air dry because of the wind. Like, I think I mentioned this earlier, but it's like so like windy. I don't know if you can tell in the trees, but it's really windy. So I'm sitting outside, hopefully let my hair air dry. That way I will have time to straighten it because we have a reservation for dinner at 7 and it's almost 6 o'clock. So fingers crossed I'll have time to straighten my hair. But I just want to kind of like talk to you guys about a few things. First of all, I am very sunburned right now. My face, I don't know if you can tell, but like right here I got some sunburn, and then I also have like some sunburn on my arms, both my arms actually. And then I got sunburnt in the weirdest place. I got sunburnt right there. I'm in a totally different spot now, but what happened was I was filming and then my grandparents came out and started talking to me, and so then I kind of just like stopped filming, and then my hair dried. I went to straighten my hair. It looks really good. I haven't had straight hair I feel like in forever, but it's really only been like a day. I figured I should probably finish talking to you guys, but basically the only other thing I wanted to say was I hope these vlogs have been good so far. I haven't edited any of the footage, or honestly looked at any of the footage, so I hope it's good. I've been trying to make them good, and I know I should have vlogged. I should be like a vlog more when we're out and doing things. I just feel, I don't know, I just feel like I could have done it more than I have so far. So we have 3 more days here after today, so I'm going to try to go out with a bang and do that more for you guys. Anyways, we're about to leave for dinner. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. The last thing I ate was like an acai bowl, and I'm kind of hungry now. But we're leaving in like 9 minutes, and I'm so happy we're walking. I personally love walking places. I think it's because for the longest time I lived in a neighborhood where you couldn't walk anywhere. All you could walk to was basically the pool, and you can only use that in the summer. So I'm so excited we're walking there, and I just feel like it's just like a Florida thing to do, you know, walk places. We're walking there. I'm super pumped about it, and yeah, I'm probably not gonna vlog at dinner. It's because I feel like it's a nicer restaurant, and my grandparents actually know the people that like work there and everything, so I just feel like it'd be a little awkward for them. So maybe vlog my phone a little bit, but I'm definitely not bringing my camera just for that reason. And I just like, how much footage am I actually getting at dinner? Plus I feel like it's a little bit of a nicer restaurant, so I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like I shouldn't vlog. I feel like I'm overstepping my boundaries in a way if I vlog. So yeah, I'm not probably gonna vlog, but I will have my phone with me, so maybe I'll get a few clips of the walk or something on my phone just to let you guys know. Oh, my arm is so tired. Bye. We're home from dinner now, but I figured I'd give you guys like a little bit of an outfit of the night because I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. So my top, or not my top, my jacket is from Target. My dress, American Eagle, and then my shoes I was wearing, they're right over there. They're from Target as well. So yeah, that's my outfit. You guys, I'm so full from dinner, like so full, like oh my gosh. I'm so full, and I feel like I barely put a dent in my food. I had like this huge plate of spaghetti, and I thought about filming a clip of it, but I decided not to just because I feel like spaghetti is so generic, like you know what spaghetti looks like. So I didn't film a clip of it, but I'm so full. I don't know why I ate that much food. Like I definitely should have stopped earlier, but it was so good I just like kept going. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow.